The Foolish King. Once there was a king who did not use his brain before he did anything. Without thinking, he would speak in his court and then afterwards repent his words and actions. One day, he was walking in his beautiful garden. It had rained in the morning and the air was cool and pleasantly crisp. The king was in a happy mood, but all of a sudden he screamed. A throne had picked his foot and it was giving him a lot of pain. This made him very angry. Then the king sent his guard to call the prime minister, who was a very wise man. As soon as the prime minister came, the king said angrily, "You do not look after my kingdom well. Just now my foot was hurt by a thorn. It has caused me a lot of pain." "I am sorry to hear you that," replied the prime minister. "What is the use of your being sorry? It will not cure the pain of the thorn prick," shouted the king angrily. Though a guard had taken out the thorn, the king was still in a lot of pain. "I will call the doctor," said the prime minister. "That has already been done, but you are not looking after my kingdom properly," said the king. "I try my best, my lord," assured the prime minister. "Your best is not good enough. Why was the throne there at all?" asked the king. "But, my lord, what can I do about that?" asked the surprised prime minister. The king replied, "Had there been a carpet here, I would not have hurt myself." "Very true, my lord, but this is a garden," said the prime minister. "Cover my whole kingdom with carpets so that no one is hurt by thorns," said the king. "How can that be done, my lord? It is not possible to cover every inch of this vast kingdom with carpets." "It would simply not work," replied the prime minister. "My lord, I have another idea. Why don't you wear leather on your feet?" "Then thorns won't hurt you," said the prime minister. The king agreed happily. The prime minister then got beautiful leather shoes made for the king. The king was pleased and no thorn ever hurt his feet again.